Cryptocurrencies are set to play an even bigger role in 2025. With innovation accelerating and adoption growing, it's an exciting time for new investors to explore the market. So, which cryptocurrencies should you keep an eye on this year? Here's a quick look at some of the most promising ones. First up, Bitcoin. The king of cryptocurrencies remains a cornerstone of the market. As a store of value and hedge against inflation, Bitcoin continues to attract both retail and institutional investors. Next, Ethereum. More than just a cryptocurrency, Ethereum powers decentralized applications and smart contracts. With its transition to Ethereum 2.0, it's more energy efficient and ready to scale for the future. Another standout is Solana. Known for its speed and low transaction fees, Solana has become a favorite for developers building decentralized applications. Its potential to disrupt industries like gaming and finance makes it a coin to watch. Cardano is also worth mentioning. Focused on sustainability and scalability, Cardano continues to build a strong foundation with real-world applications. Its research-driven approach sets it apart in the crypto space. Finally, don't overlook Polkadot. This blockchain is all about interoperability, allowing different networks to communicate seamlessly. As more projects embrace Polkadot's technology, its value could rise significantly. But remember, investing in crypto comes with risks. Volatility is part of the journey, so it's important to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. The world of cryptocurrencies is evolving, and 2025 could be the year for beginners to make their mark. Stay curious, stay informed, and take that first step toward your crypto journey today.